Muffy. Mr. Toast, Mrs. Muffy. And now they're gonna go for adventure. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Down in the car. Car. And now we're here. Now to walk out of Hi, Mrs. Stuff. Hi, Mr. Cat. How you doing? How you doing? I have been doing good. How you doing? How you doing good? How you doing? Hi. I love you coming. Oh, thank you. I love you. Okay. You want to go for a picture?
Zoom in.
Sure. Let's come in the car. Both of you. Here. Sitting down in the car.
Okay, I'll be right back. Da-da-da! Oh, you messed up my camera. Actually, it's still recording. Da-da-da! Doodly-da! Oh, huh? And there's the butt, and they get it. Okay, you want to read a story? Curly's going to read a story called, Story by Curly. Watch out. Ow! What the hell's wrong with you? Get off me!
Don't let me make you in it.
Jumping on my neck like that. Really handsome.
It's called the Some of the Books are called A Taste for the Goose. The Pepper Goose.
Okay. No, what she said.
This is the together. Sometimes not everyone also stuff. They were pretty goose. One day, Goose and Little Goose were working on the yard when they turned and walked by. Look at that. Cute little animal. That said little Goose. What is it?
Kicked his butt. Just thought I'd mention it.
I don't know, said Big Goose. We're just looking for a pet, said Little Goose. We never had a pet before, said Big Goose. We might use something wrong. We will read a book
Goofy
and
goober.
learn how to take care of it, said Little Goose.
Goofy goober.
The goose picked up the turtle and walked to the library here. Do you have any books?
Nice one.
Nice one. 3 minutes already? The library shows the goose and whole shelf. No, 4 or something. A book or more. About pets. $1. Big Goose takes one out. It was called Our Pet, the Dog.
I just did. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me.
It was called Our Pet, the Dog.
Oh, butt kicking mode. Butt kicking mode. Better not be on your tab because your tab's not in here. Ah, butt kicking mode. 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 Butt kicking mode.
You're not recording that.
Yes, I am, and I'm recording your butt kicking for prosperity. Look at that. He's getting his butt kicked daily. Wanya. She's recording her story. Oh. Stop.